I've got some pieces that hold down the battery for the K-Truck, just hitting it up with some of this leftover paint I had. Matte hammered, it actually looks nice. These are just bits of metal. Anyway, I said I would do a genuine cold start on the truck to see if the changes, the adjustments I should say, that I did to the carburetor are gonna improve the cold start. So I got the heat working again. I
What
disconnected
the fuck was that?
the cables that attach to these, but you can activate the heater controls. Anyway, just one pump to reset the carb, and here we go. So it didn't get super cold last night, but probably somewhere in the 40s. You can see starting up just under 2. It did not die off the initial start like it's done on video more than once. We're probably at full cold idle now, hitting just 2,000. That's an improvement from before. The sound, just don't do anything with my license plates, okay? I really can't take them out. Sound is much nicer when it's not revving super high. Maybe that's doesn't seem like much, but that's a nice little improvement. I'm taking that bed box off for the winter, and I'm gonna do this vlog style. Huh. Well, okay, here we go. Gonna do this all through a voiceover since I didn't really shoot too much content. This is just sped up the fastest I can do it, so I probably have plenty of time to burn. So yeah, the bolts, the way I did that bed box, there were just bolts that went through the box, through the frame with some rubber grommets. They're a real pain to take off. I did get new ratchets for Christmas, so it was actually really nice to get to use them, and nothing like good tools. Anyway, yeah, and so essentially what I had to do with the way this was set up, I had a wrench in the box, kind of like getting locked out, like up against the walls of the box, and then I'm just turning it from the underneath. I mean, honestly, I'm telling you how to loosen up a bolt at this point. I'm trying to tell you what else is going on in the truck. So, I mean, I want to take the bed box off. I want to clean it. I decided I'm going to just start painting over the rust, like spot by spot. If I do that, it'll really improve the look of the truck. I can always respray it later, but things continue to rust because it kind of needs to be done well. Ooh, look at that. Made it look so light, huh? But yeah, so I'm going to start doing little spot touch-up things. There really wasn't a lot of junk behind the bed box, and it looked like, look at the floor, there was no retained moisture. So everything on that was really good. But yeah, with the bed box out, I can kind of just maybe take those bed rails off and paint around there and just kind of make it look neater. But yeah, so I'm going to keep this box in the garage and keep all my tools in there. Just wanted to make it look nice. If you're looking to get one of these bed boxes for your truck, WeatherGuard, I did that because I wanted the nice locking mechanism. It just looks like a quality piece. This fits the truck well, but it takes up a decent chunk in the bed, like in terms of length. And it kind of looks like, I don't know if it looks silly, but I don't love that it's so tall. I have another WeatherGuard chest, a steel one in white, which is cool, but it's very long. I think it's a 52-inch. It would have to mount sideways. I think I might just do no box for the winter. But yeah, if you are looking for one, I talk about it later in the video, but 48-inch, I got mine through Home Depot. I ordered online, picked up in the store. It was in good shape, no scratches, and you know, I've been pretty happy. Let's see what else. I did the shift bushings in the truck, but it's still a work in progress. You know, I'm trying to make my own, and what I'm realizing is there's slop in the actual transmission itself, but I'm about to stop here, so hold up. There's that bed box after a little bit of TLC. That's the Weather Guard. I believe that's 48-inch aluminum in that chrome finish. Great box. That's the truck with the bed box gone. I mean, I guess most of you guys know what that looks like. Yeah, I think we all know what a K truck without a bed box looks like. It really wasn't too bad. I can't really hear what I'm saying now that I'm talking over myself, but started rusting or anything like that. That's it for the video. Oh yeah, check these out. About to show you some cool shots of the truck. Ooh, yeah. That's really just adjusting for white balance. But, yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Maybe do more videos like this if they're fun. And later.